Are you looking to plan your entire year? What if I tell you I have a simple planner to plan your year completely in just 5 minutes with 100% execution guaranteed? There are two type of people in the world. One type of people are over planners. They over plan. They want million things in a year, but at the end of the year, they only finish less than 5% in that plan. The second type of people, they don't even plan. They're just going with the flow. At the end of the year, they don't achieve anything in their life. But in this video, I will decipher the power of planning. I'll give you the planner to you so that you can make a copy, so that you can plan your entire year in just 5 minutes and with 100% execution. If you're really brand new to this is Ramesh Yadav, productivity expert. Welcome to my channel. Hit that subscribe button. I have been in this space since more than 6 years, trying and testing multiple habits, frameworks, and routines to make you a real productivity warrior without wasting a single minute of your time. Let's dive in. This is your productive yearly plan. It has two sections. I'll explain one section at a time. Just take notes. First, you need to fill your name, your full name. Then let us come to the goal section. In most of the time, most people overrate the goals. They set goals in as many areas as possible, too much difficult goals, too impossible goals, but at the end of the year, nothing happened. What's this? I simplified the goal setting process in just three areas. First area is your professional goal. What is that one goal for your profession? Don't confuse your professional goal with your finance goal. Professional goal is different, finance goal is different. Professional goal is something you are moving ahead in your value ladder as a professional, or if you're a business owner, what is that next level you want to be in? That is your professional level. Choose one goal which is a very specific goal. Don't say I want to move ahead in my career. No, that's not a goal. Choose a goal, choose a role, choose a skill that is hitting, that is exactly specific to you. Okay, choose one professional goal and write it down. The next is health goal. Most of the time we try to overcomplicate the health, overcomplicate the diet, overcomplicate the routines, but it's as simple as that. Choose one health goal based on your weight. Suppose if you are overweight, you want to lose weight, like lost weight by 10 kilos, like that. Suppose in my case it's gaining weight, like in my case gain weight by 10 kilos. Suppose if you're already fit, already handsome and beautiful, you can pick maintain the weight. Simple, just three, choose one among it. Then one finance goal. I know you are good in finances. You need to pick one finance goal with how much money you want to make next year. It could be in crores, it could be in lakhs, it could be in dollars. Just be specific. Never ask, I want more money. It will never work. You need to be very specific. Suppose you know how much money you want to make per month, multiply by 12. I want yearly number. And finally, if you are really a creativity person, if you have any personal goal, this is optional. For the people who are really curious about their personality, about their happiness, about their creativity, you can pick one goal. It could be an expertise in violin, it could be playing games, it could be enhancing your skills. It could be anything, but pick one personal goal which is completely optional. This is a simple way to plan your goals for the entire year. Then then come to the next section, which is the important skill. In order to execute your goals, you need to have a different skills altogether. If you have already those skills, right, you would have already achieved it. Because your goals are here, your current mindset is here, your current income is here, your current personality is here. In order to reach this level, you need to have the skills to bridge the gap to this level. So pick the top three skills you need to master to attract your these goals. Okay, so pick three skills. One could be, if based on your profession to profession, business to business, person to person, personality to personality, you can pick programming, digital marketing, driving. It's up to you, but choose the skills which is supporting to your yearly goals. Okay, don't choose random skills, but choose the skill which is literally helping you to push you to literally make your goals possible in the next year. And come to the events part. In your year, only three events are very important. Pick only three events which are very important to you. You can't miss at any cost. It could be your mom's birthday, it could be your spouse anniversary, yours anniversary, It could be your children's birthday, it could be your festival, it could be your traveling to your village. Whatever it is, pick only 3 events which you can't miss at any cost. Okay, please write your event number 1, which is the prioritize. Even you can put the date also, and event number 2 and event number 3 you can't avoid at any cost. It could be a vacation, yes, it could be a festival, it could be an event, it could be a meetup or anything. Only 3 events. Okay, and you need to take one accountability partner. If you have already a partner available, you can take him or her, write her name, so that this person is accountable to you for the entire year using this planner. Okay, suppose if you don't have an accountability partner, I have a simple 3-step system. One, pick a person who is literally wants you to succeed. Okay, don't pick the negative people, they will drag you down. Second, tell them the clear goals, what you really want, and be accountable every single week. Okay, so just type your accountability partner name, then come to the next section of this yearly planner. Most people, most of the time, we underestimate the power of breaks. As a productivity expert, I have been in this journey to understand how breaks literally double my income every 3 months. Because I'm taking enough breaks, I'm able to think well, I'm able to systemize well, I'm able to execute well because of the taking breaks and vacation. I still remember those days I was sacrificing entertainment, sacrificing breaks, sacrificing family from morning 4 a.m. to night 11 p.m. Just work, become a workaholic. At that time, my results are really a big zero. Versus now, I'm enjoying my full-time entrepreneurship, along with that, having a lot of vacations. Because of that, I'm able to make 7 figures per month, right? I'll tell you how to take the vacation rhythm. Most people will confuse themselves. Ramesh, how to take vacations? What is the rhythm? I'll tell you the rhythm. Just note it down. 1 hour per day. You need to break. You need to break 1 hour slot from your day and take proper rest. Not devices, no mental stress work, no thinking, nothing. Just take wind up time. Enjoy yourself. Entertain yourself. You might confuse, Ramesh, you are talking about entertainment. Yes, entertainment is important. Play some music, listen some music, dance. It's important to wind up. Okay. So that break doesn't mean that again break in YouTube, break in TV. No, that's a vacation break. That's a break is for you to wind up, to give recharge time for your body and mind. Right. In my case, it's 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. every day. I block my time for my family along with my break together. Second, 1 day per week, ruthlessly 1 day per week. Don't spend much laptop, don't spend time on much smartphone. Just enjoy your day. Maybe do cooking, travel, enjoy the time with your dog, think, plan, repeat, enjoy. Right? One day per week, you need to break. You need to break that barrier of too much of work, and you need to fill it up with your entertainment, right? Because there is a research done by Australian nurse who has spent his entire career of nursing in with the people who is about to die, like after 75 years, right? The people who are after 75 years come to that hospital for their last 2 days. What she found in her research is the first regret is, I would have spent enough time with my family. Yes, after researching 5,000 people who are about to die, the first regret is, I would have spent enough time with my family. The second regret is, I would have not given up my goals very early. You got my point, right? Don't underestimate the power of vacations and breaks. You have to take breaks so that that recharging time will double your energy while you're working. Okay? Don't be in that zone of working longer hours, working harder for your goals. 1 day per week, you need to take break. In my case, it's Monday. I don't work on Mondays. Third, per month, you need to take 3 days of continuous breaks. Yes, it could be starting 3 days, middle 3 days, or end 3 days. And per quarter, you need to pick 5 days to 7 days of break. Go to vacation, go to some village, maybe go to temples, recharge yourself, energize yourself. Per quarter, 5 to 7 days. And finally, per year, you need to take 2 weeks of breaks. 2 weeks, you need to entirely regenerate yourself, reinvent yourself for double the focus and double the productivity next year. You can take December last 2 weeks or January first 2 weeks. or even you can pick summer 2 weeks. It's up to you. But these vacations are very important to maximize your productivity towards next level in the work. And finally, the final section, we go deep into about the super productive routines in a day. Now it's time to systemize your day completely. One, first, deep sleep routine, right? If you sacrifice your sleep, you can't create wonderful results in the day. So make sure the first priority in your day is to sleep minimum to minimum 7 to 8 hours. Sleep, you need to type the timings, like what is the timing, 10 to 7, 10 to 5, 9 to 6, like that. You need to type the timing here. Okay. Second, you need to have a strong mindset routine, because once the sleep is good, it's time to fix your mind. Otherwise your mind go into overthinking, your mind go into negative thinking, your mind distract yourself. To avoid that, you need to have minimum to minimum 15 to 30 minutes block in your day as strong mindset routine. In our community, we are using a routine called MDR, million dollar routine. In that MDR, we are meditating, we are gratitude, we are writing goals, we are visualizing all these things. You can pick one activity. It could be prayer, it could be meditation, it could be gratitude. It's up to you. But one mindset routine that resonates with you, 15 to 30 minutes minimum. You need to type the timing here. So here you need to type the time, 10 to 5, like that type. And here you need to type which block in your day you're doing your mindset routine. It could be 6 to 6:15 or 6 to 6:30 or 7 to 7:30, like that. Then the third priority in your day is your exercise, rigorous workout routine. If you're not moving your body, there is no energy flow, there is no blood flow, there is no cells flow. You will feel sleepy, you'll feel drowsy. To avoid that, to make you more energetic, you need to do a rigorous exercise routine. Minimum to minimum 45 to 60 minutes. You can do walking, running, jogging, cycling, strength training, gym. You can pick anything, yogasanas, but pick one routine which you resonates with, one rigorous workout routine, 45 to 60 minutes slot. You can type the timing. In my case, every day 9 to 10 before I sleep, I do the exercise. In your case, it could be morning after wake up, it could be afternoon workout, it could be evening second workout. It's up to you. Then it requires 1 hour of learning routine. The fourth priority to make your day super productive is learning routine. Make sure you are learning something new every day. It could be productivity, it could be your domain, it could be new skills, it could be what's happening in the world. Minimum 60 to 90 minutes of your time should be spent on learning new things. If you're not a learner, right, you will automatically getting outdated very fast. If you want to be on track, you must learn every single day. So block your time 60 to 90 minutes for your learning process. You can, suppose if 90 minutes is too high, you can break it into two parts, like 45 minutes, 45 minutes, morning, evening. You can pick anything. You can pick the videos, you can pick audio books, you can pick real books, you can pick video lectures, courses, anything, right? Even this video could be a learning journey to you, right? Minimum 60 to 90 minutes of learning per day. You need to type the timing here. And finally, the fifth priority is the happy family time. You need to give minimum 60 minutes of your time with your kids, with your spouse, with your parents and friends. Otherwise, you know what? You will become very old faster without any memories. You want that? No. You know what? You don't, your family don't want your money. Just basic needs are enough. In my research, after I discussed with 50 plus women, what they're asking is, Ramesh, we don't want our husband's money. What we want is some quality time with them, a one small compliment, a one smile, maybe a half an hour, a combined movie, right? They want that kind of memories. But we as the husbands, we are more likely to getting into the workaholic mode, getting more results coming in for our family, right? You can be happy with, I'm not saying you don't need to work for money. Well, yes, money is important. Even I do work for money, but don't neglect the family at the cost of your work, because at the end of your life, you should never cry that you don't have any memories. So spend minimum to minimum 60 minutes with your kids, with your spouse, with your parents, with your friends as well. Just 60 minutes per day. And finally, 3 blocks of focus work, just 90 minutes, 90 minutes, 90 minutes. Pick 3 slots, maybe 10 to 11:30, 1 to 2:30, or maybe 3 to 4:30, or 5 to 6:30. It's up to you. Pick 3 slots in a day where you're dedicatedly focusing your time for your important work, important top 3 priorities. Even recently, I've done a video on focus as well. Double your focus instantly using my modern monk framework. If you haven't watched it, just click that link below, or maybe just check out my channel. You'll see that framework as well, how to block this focus works. And this is how you need to plan your entire year completely, right? Touching your goals, skills, events, partner, vacations, and finally a super productive day structure. Don't you think this planner can achieve wonderful results for you? It's possible. If I can do it, if my entire 150 plus members community can do it, you can easily do it. Just click that link below, make a copy. I'll tell you how. Most of the people are asking Ramesh how to copy. I'll show you how. It's very important to learn how to make a copy. Okay, go to file. You can download as an Excel, download as an Excel, download as a PDF if you want. Yes, or if you want, you can make a copy with your name. Just remove this copy off and type your name. Suppose your name is Karthik, the Productive 2022 plan. Even if you're watching this video in 2023, 24, this plan is applicable. I want to build this evergreen content. Okay, just click on OK. This will be copied to your drive. Then you can start editing the template. Okay, the link is in the description. Just click that link, make a copy or download, and just fill it. And that's it. If you're really loving this, I'm doing a live boot camp on next Sunday morning 10 a.m. where I go deep into about how to execute this yearly plan, how to decipher this yearly plan into a monthly plan, into a weekly plan, into a daily plan. Along with that, I'll help you with mindset, help you with how to kill that procrastination completely, how to achieve 100% consistency in your goals and routines. Along with that, how to get that modern monk framework with 5.5 hard focus system in the live bootcamp. If you're really serious to get into the next level, just click the link below, join my next bootcamp. I charge very less, which is $199 to make you more productive. Just click that link below, and I'll see you on the other side on next Sunday. And hit that like button if you really love this video. Subscribe to me for more and more powerful productivity videos coming in. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. This is Ramesh Yadav signing off. Bye.